The idea of Al and Edwin came from the desire to give every person the American dream. Homeownership is something that everyone strives for, and we wanted to make it available to those hardworking individuals. Over 25 years, Al and Edwin has provided over 7,000 families with the home of their dreams. This could not be possible without our hardworking, dedicated team of employees.
From the 44 homes we did when I first started with Al and Edwin to the 800 we'll do this year, we're now one of Michigan's largest home builders. The growth has been amazing.
We were founded, a family business is how it started, so I think that's really special because there's so many businesses that don't make it or have aspirations to be successful, but to be in business for 25 years and to be thriving and growing after all that time is truly unique, and I think that's really, really special.
We are good at what we do, and it's because we prepare ourselves. We're consistent. We stick with a formula that works. Going back to some of our founding principles and being transparent and being truthful and making sure that we're not complacent, that we look at expanding and how we can build and be better, making Al and Edwin homes accessible to more and more individuals.
I love that we deliver what we promise, and we take care of the things that are important to the families who build with us, to those who work with us, our trades, other employees. So we have that mentality to do the right thing. It's been said often in the company, and we do the right thing and follow through with it. So I think that's pretty awesome.
The culture is, I like to think it's an environment where everybody is trying to do the right thing every single day, trying to help each other out, trying to help our customers out, and really just do good things every day.
I feel like that's the best word that I can say for our team is that we're a family and that we work really hard to make our customers feel like they're part of our family.
We know how we treat our families, and we should certainly treat the people that we're building our homes for in that same spirit, that same love and embrace. And I also think that spreads out to everybody who's in between is, the co-workers, our trade partners that go into building our homes, they should all be treated as friends and family.
Al and Edwin is its people, from the production managers, us on the ground, to our sales team out selling houses, to all of our office staff that kind of back all of us up that are out in the field. That's what really makes us go.
Our success is a result of our entire team. Our people are committed to being the best that they can be, and with this drive, we've been able to achieve unprecedented results. We wouldn't be able to do the things we've done without our entire team.
What makes me proud to be an Al and Edwin employee is the work that we do. I mean, every time we sell a home, it helps touch not only the family that lives in that home in the future, but also all of the people on the Al and Edwin team that go into building that home, as well as all of our trade partners and all of their families. I mean, 300 families benefit every time Al and Edwin Home builds a home. So it's very, very cool.
I love when we do celebration for employees who go above and beyond. Our customer service recognition awards, corporate outings, sales trips, military and first responder-based events, our realtor events, and basically any time that we can get together and I can hear about a story how we helped a family here experience home ownership who didn't think it was possible.
I feel my team's biggest achievement is growing the Al and Edwin family. We've grown from 75 employees to 135 over my course of 6 years here, and that feels good to be able to welcome that many people to our team.
The future holds countless possibilities as we expand, we move forward, having knowledge of an unpredictable market, and sticking with a formula that works for us, and just being great and being the best that we can be at Al and Edwin.
Congratulations, Al and Edwin, on 25 years. I'm excited to be a part of the next 25 years.
Thanks again to our team, our trades, our realtor partners, and our homeowners. Without you, none of this would be possible. We look forward to a bright future and many more years to come.